In a time of royal tumult, Princesses Beatrice and Eugenie have emerged as pillars of unwavering support for Prince William amidst the fallout from Prince Harry's departure to the U.S. Their actions reflect a steadfast commitment to family unity during challenging times for the firm. Amidst the strained relations within the royal family, Princesses Beatrice, 35, and Eugenie, 34, have exemplified solidarity with King Charles and Prince William. They have notably stepped forward in public engagements, notably supporting William during his solo appearance at the first garden party of 2024 at Buckingham Palace, where Kate was absent due to cancer treatment. Renowned royal expert Richard Fitzwilliams underscores the significance of their presence, describing it as a resolute display of unity with William, who currently maintains a strained relationship with his brother Harry. Despite their close bond with Harry, particularly Eugenie's, both sisters have prioritized solidarity with the heir to the throne and his father Charles amidst their health challenges. Eugenie, known for her warmth and dedication to royal duties despite residing mainly in the Algarve with her husband Jack Brooksbank, has maintained her ties with Harry and Meghan. Her continued presence at key events alongside William, such as Royal Ascot, where she shared light-hearted moments with him, underscores her commitment to family cohesion. Princess Beatrice has equally demonstrated her allegiance by actively supporting William and Charles during critical junctures. Her participation in events like the Buckingham Palace Garden Party and her vocal statements of support on social media reflect her dedication to the royal family's unity during turbulent times. As the royal family navigates complex interpersonal dynamics, Princesses Beatrice and Eugenie's steadfast support for Prince William symbolizes their commitment to family solidarity. Their actions not only bolster William during challenging times but also underscore their pivotal roles as bridge builders within the royal fold. In an era marked by uncertainties, their unwavering presence and allegiance to King Charles and Prince William serve as a beacon of stability within the firm. This narrative highlights how the York sisters, amidst personal ties and royal duties, remain integral to maintaining family harmony amidst public scrutiny and internal challenges.